Hey there, Greg with Boom Up Engineering. I've been getting some questions on setting up an adjustable bridge on a Monkey Beaver saddle. So I'll show it on my Monkey Beaver 1.0. This is the updated 1.0, but it doesn't matter. You know, the 2.0, 1.0, they're set up the same with how the bridges attach to rigging plates, to the straps that are both connected to the D-rings, the side D-rings, and the leg loops. So I've already got this adjustable bridge on here, so you're going to have to use your imagination that these two Petzl rings and this bridge is not here. So when your Monkey Beaver shows up, you have these two rigging rings, these paw plates, and of course the bridge rope. So on the climber's right side, this rigging plate, middle hole is probably to the 1-inch strap, the webbing that goes to your side D-ring. And then the bottom hole is going to go to your leg strap. So that 1.5 inch, I believe that is, strap will fish through this number 1 hole. This will be the side D-ring hole, number 2. Number 3 would be your bridge rope. So this is attached to the saddle over on your right side, climber's right. And on the climber's left side, you'll have the paw plate doing the same thing. Bridge number 3, the 1-inch D-ring web through number 2 hole, and number 1's going to get your leg strap, and that's gonna be how it is without an adjustable bridge. Now when you order a bridge kit from Monkey Beaver, they'll send you well, I guess it depends if you order a new bridge or not, but you'll have your bridge rope, and you'll have a rope grab, and you'll have the Petzl ring. So what you need to do is on the climber's left side, get rid of this paw plate. You don't need it. You don't want to try. You're not going to be able to have a Petzl ring and this paw plate coexisting very well. It's going to be running into each other, especially when you've got the ring connected to this rope grab that you're going to be using. Now I've got a Petzl rope grab. I don't think you would use this on a bridge. It's kind of heavy and just completely unnecessary. But for illustration purposes, it shows basically what you've got. So you're going to take this paw plate completely off the saddle. So you'll have to pull the webbing out of the buckle here and get it out of these holes. Number 2, excuse me. I guess it'd be probably holes 2 and 3. I imagine that's how this is. These are on the saddle. So once you do that, you know, nothing changes on the right climber's right. It's still attached with this paw plate, and nothing's different. Got your stopper knot, and so the only thing you're going to do is literally take the ring with the kit, and you're going to run it through the 1-inch strap webbing and the 1.5 inch, your leg loops. You're going to set it up just like that. Now, once that ring is in there, you know, this little center section here comes out, so you can do all this easily, and you can also set your rope grab up so that where it's connected to the ring. And now you can set it up to where this is going to grab your rope, your bridge. That's the wrong way. So the ring's going to be in there just like this ring is, and it's going to be connected, and you're going to feed your rope through your bridge through there. Makes sense? So when you can see how the ring is orientated. It's just right for what it needs to be to have this rope grab supporting your weight. So hopefully that makes sense. I guess it'd be more like that way. So, but you're not going to be able to leave this on your saddle. I don't see how, you know, you'd have them running into each other, rubbing on each other. It would be unnecessary. So, and there's some benefit of having these on your saddle. Like the Petzl ring's got a nice rounded contour to it. Yeah, the edges are, you know, chamfered or rounded off on the paw plate, but it's just your webbing probably will last longer running through this ring than it will through this paw plate. So get rid of this, put the ring in there, and set up your rope grab. Everything stays the same on the climber's right side. But if you got any questions, yeah, just leave a comment below, and hopefully this helps at least somebody. Have a good night.